This area has something for every type of boater, whether it be fishing our skinny waters in the bay, going offshore to catch some of that big game, going down the intercoastal, just taking a cruise, or pulling up to your favorite local restaurants. And this model, the 281 Coastal Explorer, checks all those boxes. Let me show you why. So we'll start at the transom of this 281 Coastal. You'll see that it's outfitted with twin 300 Yamahas. This power package is amazing for this boat. You're looking at a 60-mile-per-hour boat easily. As we walk down the side, you will see that it flattens out towards the back, and you'll notice a very sharp entry at the front. Here we have a very nice boarding door, electronically actuated, makes it very easy for your guests to get on and off the boat. As we come towards the bow, you'll see the very wide inverted chines. This is pound for pound a very, very dry boat. And as we get to the front, you'll see the start of that CV2 V-hull design, very sharp entry, and that's the reason why you can take this offshore and feel comfortable. So here we are at the transom of the boat, and the first thing you'll notice that I really do like is there's an access point on both sides. Now these can actually flip in, and then you have seating all the way across, which we do have the cushions for those as well. You'll notice the twin 300 Yamahas that I mentioned before, color matched, starting in 2024. So the days of ordering a gray motor or a white motor and getting it painted, that's done. Grady has upgraded that. So as we move forward, the first spot that we're gonna hit is the prep station here. You do have a nice cutting board, as well as a freshwater sprayer here, and you also have a live well. As we move to the helm station here, you will see that this is outfitted with Helmmaster EX, which gives you your joystick, your autopilot, your stay point features, and digital throttle and steering. This boat right here is so easy to maneuver, and you can turn a circle in a dime. As we move towards the bow area here, we're gonna see that this has a very, very nice head. A lot of room in there, so your guests can be comfortable if they need to use it. As far as comfort for cruising, I would be amiss to not mention this sure shade top here. This will actually electronically actuate out and cover everybody back here so your guests can stay out of the sun and be comfortable on those hot days. So now we have arrived to my favorite spot on the boat, the bow of the 281. As you can see, it has a nice lounge right here in front of the console for a guest to get comfortable. And this can double as a casting platform, or it can also have the cushions on it, and it's a great place to lay out. These are electronically actuated backrests, so you can get comfortable in multiple positions while you're laying out getting some sun. And we do have two storage areas there that actually double as a cooler or an additional fish box. Plenty of storage for all the fish you catch for the day. You'd be out there for a couple days trying to fill it. If you're interested in coming to see this boat, come see me at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach and ask for Jay.